of crowded, enthusiastically celebrating the 22nd years of Independence Day of Eritrea. What does this historical ceremony mean to all Eritreans? And how do the foreigners speak about this? Let's hear from them. Okay.
I'm Robel Yemane from America.
So what impressed you most from what we have seen so far?
Well, this is the peaceful country. You can see that everybody's happy, enjoying it. And I'm enjoying it, and I hope everybody come here and enjoying it. Live, you can see, you can never see like this in any country.
So what's Independence Day mean to you?
To me, freedom, liberty, enjoyment, and peaceful. And I'm enjoying with my people. You can never see like this in any country. This is the most peaceful, and I wish everybody outside the United States or here, they can come and see themselves.
Tell me more about the peace and security prevails in Eritrea.
Eritrea is the most peaceful country. Can you see anybody this night, this dark night, anybody will never scare, you can walk in the street, nobody will ask you, you can go home safely. So this is the most peaceful country on earth. Well, my t-shirts, as you can see, those people are sacrificed for our country. And because of them, we're here and we're living peacefully. Because what they pay with their life, we enjoy in our country. Because of them, we got the freedom. And always, I can never forget them, what they paid, and all these people are here.
So what message do you have to the people inside and abroad?
Well, to all American people and all Eritreans around the world, they can come and see live, enjoy with your people. That's what I would like to say, and then peace to Eritrea.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.